Today I am reviewing this smart door lock. It is really cool. I have it in the lock position. It does also use a regular key, and you can use fingerprint, passcode, your little RFID chip. Watch, you can use your fingerprint.
Unlocked.
And it just unlocked it. How cool is that?
Unlocked.
So of course that stuff only works to unlock it. You can also lock it from the app. It was very easy to install and program, not hard at all. It has a passcode. I was able to even set up with my 4-year-old son to be able to unlock the door with his fingerprint. Pretty cool. You can also do temporary or permanent passcodes if you do something like short-term rentals, or you have visitors coming and you're not home. You can also unlock it from your phone with the included app, which is super cool. One thing I want to show is here's the back side, and it's all in here. And one thing I would like is that it does take 4 AA batteries. I wish it had some sort of rechargeable battery, but that's, on the app it does show you the battery level, which is good, so you can make sure to keep those updated, because of course if the batteries did go dead, you would only be able to manually lock it. But it does include enough keys, and it's very easy to program via the app and set up the passcode and everything. And I just really like this. Adds a nice modern touch to our home and some additional security. And sometimes you forget your keys, you get locked out, and you would never have the problem with this smart lock, because it has so many different ways to unlock the door. And you can even, of course, just do it manually as well. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.